These types of wire and twig art videos are going viral all over social media right now. And the best part? This niche is still completely unsaturated, which means there's a huge opportunity to start creating content in it before everyone else catches on. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, free. My wallet likes that, and yours probably does too. All right, let's get into it. The very first thing you need is the master prompt I've created for you guys. You'll find the link in the description below. Your first step is simple. Copy the entire master prompt and make sure you copy every single part of it. Don't skip anything because every section plays an important role in the workflow. Once you've copied it, open Claude AI, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. After it finishes generating, Claude AI gives you a list of 10 wire and twig sculpture concepts, such as twig phoenix rising, moss-antlered forest deer, and many more. If you scroll down, you'll also see an option to enter a completely custom concept, like animals, fantasy, nature, portraits, or literally anything you can imagine. For this example, I'm simply typing butterfly and clicking generate. And just like that, Claude AI creates an entire workflow package for a wire and petal butterfly sculpture. First, it gives you the main subject prompt, which is basically a complete appearance prompt describing the butterfly in detail. Then, it generates 5 separate image prompts, along with their matching video prompts. On top of that, it also gives you a complete narration script for your voiceover. And finally, a ready-to-use title and description for your video. So with just one single prompt, you've already finished almost half the work. That's honestly pretty insane. Now, the very first thing we need to do is copy the entire main subject prompt carefully. Next, head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to the image generation model, choose your preferred aspect ratio, select the number of outputs you want, and make sure you're using the Nano Banana 2 model. Now, paste your main subject prompt, hit generate, wait a few seconds, and boom! Your main subject image is ready, and honestly, it looks really good. Now, go back to Claude AI, copy your first image prompt, and head back to Google Flow AI. This time, choose your butterfly image as your reference, just like I'm doing here, then paste your first image prompt and hit generate. Now, listen carefully because this part is important. Your main subject image is the key to keeping all 5 images consistent and in sequence. That's why we're going to use that exact same reference image every single time. As you can see, the first generated image perfectly shows the beginning stage of creating the butterfly sculpture. Now, go back to Claude AI again, copy your second image prompt, return to Google Flow AI, select the same main subject image as your reference, paste the prompt, and generate it. Wait a moment, and there you go. Your second image is also generated while maintaining the same design, structure, and consistency. Now simply repeat this exact workflow for all your remaining images. Every single time, use the same main subject image as your reference. Yes, again and again. I know it sounds repetitive, but trust me, that's exactly what keeps everything looking clean instead of looking like 5 completely different butterflies that somehow attended different family reunions. Once all 5 images are ready, it's time to turn them into videos. Go back to Claude AI, copy the first video prompt, then head back to Google Flow AI. Click on your first image, choose Animate, paste the video prompt, and hit Generate. For the video model, you can use Omni Flash. Wait a moment, and boom! Your first video is generated showing the beginning process of creating the butterfly sculpture. Now, go back to Claude AI, copy your second video prompt, return to Google Flow AI, animate your second image exactly the same way, paste the prompt, and generate it. Then simply repeat this workflow for all your remaining images until every single one has been converted into a video. Once all your videos are finished, go back to Claude AI one last time and copy the narration script. For voice generation, I'm using Google AI Studio. Simply paste your narration script, choose the voice model that best matches your style, then adjust the voice, accent, pacing, and speaking style. After that, click Run. It usually takes around 2 minutes to generate the voiceover. Once your voice is ready, open your favorite editing software and import all your generated video clips. Now you don't need crazy editing skills here. Just trim the awkward parts that look unnatural, cut unnecessary frames, add a few basic transitions or effects if you want, sync everything with your narration, and you're pretty much done. Once your editing is complete, export the final video. And check out the result.
What if a butterfly could be built from flower petals instead of wings? Every piece starts the same way, fragile, scattered, waiting for a shape. Marigold petals, deep rose reds, soft blush pinks, and just a few strands of copper wire. Watch as fingers begin bending, curving the wire into a body, a spine, a promise of flight. Slowly, patiently, each petal finds its place, layered like stained glass, bound with the thinnest thread of silver. There's something meditative about it. No rush, no shortcuts, just petals, wire, and warm afternoon light turning scraps from the garden into something that looks like it could lift off the table at any moment. And then it's done. Wings catching the light. A butterfly that was never alive, but somehow feels like it's about to breathe. Follow along if handcrafted magic like this brings you peace. Save this for your next quiet afternoon, and tell me what I should build next.
As you can see, the final video looks incredibly realistic, unique, and professionally designed. The best part is that it's almost 1 minute long, making it perfect for today's social media platforms while still keeping viewers engaged from beginning to end. And that's the complete workflow, from start to finish, for creating videos like these completely free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Excentra, because I've got a lot more viral AI niches coming that most people still have no idea about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.